Okay, Caden. Hi, baby. Oh, I like this little poppy toy. Right, we're going to practice your colours now, okay? And your sounds and your words, okay? You want to turn that down? Good job. Turn it down a bit more, my love. Good boy. Yeah, that's it. Right, ready? Now, so, Caden, what colour is this one? What colour?
Red.
Good boy. And what colour is this one? What's this colour? Yeah, what colour?
Yellow.
Good job. Good boy. Good sounds. And can we see what colour this one is? What colour?
Orange.
Good job. Caden, amazing. And this one, what colour? What colour's this?
Green.
Green. And what colour's this one? What colour's this one? Yeah, what colour?
Blue.
Blue. Yay! And one more. What colour is this one? Can you say it a bit louder?
Oh.
Purple.
Oh.
Yes. One more time. Louder.
Oh.
Good job. Purple. Good job. High five, Caden. You know all your colours. Well done. You want to give yourself a clap? Clap. Yay! Good boy, Caden.